Cooking is all about creativity, what you have on hand, and what you have to work with. We're not going to concentrate on recipes. What we're going to do, we're going to play this as a roadmap. So everything we do, you can change, you can interchange. The very important thing is, do not waste leftovers, use everything you have, and buy on a budget. Today we're going to have stir-fried pork. It's easy, it's quick, and you can substitute chicken, fish, shrimp, tofu, ground turkey, ground beef, anything you want to. Use what you have on hand. That's the important part. This is about cooking on a budget, saving money, and how to get by on as inexpensively as possible and feed your family good healthy meals. Today we're going to have a stir-fried pork. Right now we're getting the water ready to boil the noodles. We're going to use faux noodles today. Right here. You can get these guys most grocery stores in the Oriental section. Definitely in the Oriental market. There's 10 of them in a pack and they're about $3, which makes these noodles 30 cents a piece. Today's meal is going to be for 2 people. Good healthy servings. So stay tuned and watch what we come up with. Let's get started. While we're waiting for our water to boil, let's get our knife sharp. You always want to start off with a sharp knife. Very, very important. I use a Hinkle 4-star knife. I've had this knife for over 30 years and I use it every single day. Take care of your knife, it'll take care of you. It'll be one of the best tools you have in your kitchen. Alright, we're going to throw our faux in the water, let it boil. It takes about 2 minutes. While we're doing that, we're going to get our stove ready to start cooking. First of all, take your pork, a little seasoning, a little pepper, a little garlic salt. I'm catching these. Good to go. Alright. Alright, now they're cooked. Our noodles are done. We're going to take our pork and slice it up. On your pork, very important, when you slice your pork up, slice it on an angle. That way you'll have a more flatter cooking service. It'll cook faster. It'll cook more evenly. And yes, I'm leaving the fat in. The fat, guys, whether you want it minute or not, is flavor. I know it's not good to talk about flavor, to talk about fat, but that's where the good stuff comes in. So let's put a little avocado oil in the pan. You can use peanut oil, you can use canola oil, you can use Crisco, or you can use lard. But this is where we're going to start. While that's cooking, we're going to throw our green onions in there. Once again, cut it on an angle. Have a better surface. That goes in. Next is tofu. Tofu is a very important staple in Oriental cuisine. They use it all over the world. It's compressed tofu. It's very cheap. It's very filling. And it's a good source of protein. Next, we have some cabbage. Tip about cabbage, if you leave the stem on, it'll last a lot longer. This head of cabbage is about 6 days old. You see, still looks fresh. Leave the stem on. That goes in. Two mushrooms. Another tip, if you find dirt on your mushrooms, don't throw them in the water, they get soggy. Wipe them off gently, and then use it from there. Mushrooms in there. Give it a quick stir. Oh, this smells good. We have sliced up green pepper. That goes in. 3 tomatoes. Make sure your knife is very sharp when you do this. These will stay flair for a garnish. We have some cilantro, big in Mexican, Hispanic cuisine, but it's also big in the Asian cuisine too. Very good flavor enhancer. In goes that. We'll take slice of lime, squeeze that in there, just for flavor enhancement. Smelling very good. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of garlic salt. Frozen green peas. You don't have to thaw them out. Just pull them out of the freezer, throw them in there. Those stars are cooking. How does this look? And last but not least, we have 3 ornamental peppers out of our garden. These are very hot, but they have add a great flavor. Those go in at the end. Pro tip, if you put peppers in while you're frying while the grease is still hot, you'll fill your entire kitchen full of aroma that you do not want, and it will gag and choke everybody in there. So don't do it, wait till the end. Looking, smelling good. And don't forget the soy sauce. You'll notice we didn't add any salt because soy sauce has plenty of salt in it already. There go the peppers. Woo! Always keep your work area clean. This is about ready to go. So now we're going to add the faux noodles. Normally we have a sink when we dump these in, but since our kitchen's still under construction, we're going to pull them out with a pair of tongs and go from there. Turn this off and add the noodles. And there you have it, stir-fried pork. Enough for 2 healthy portions. We have protein, pork, we have the starch, we have the vegetables. We have plenty of food here, we have plenty of flavor. This is done and we're about to plate it up. All right, here's our plate up for 2 servings. This is gonna be great. I wish you could be here and try this. I'm gonna spill peas all over the cutting board here. A little bit there, a little bit there. Plenty of food for 2 people. If you wanted to add more, let me make it a little prettier here. In the middle there, in the middle. Let's add our green onions for the final garnish. Gotta have the garnish. And 2. And there you have it. And there you have it. 2 servings of stir-fried pork with tofu. Let us know what you think. This is going to be great. I know you can't taste it, but if you could, you'd enjoy it. Well, what do you think? A delicious plate of pork stir-fried with tofu and green peas. I think it's going to be good. You let me know what you think. Hang on, I'm going to grab a fork. I should actually have chopsticks, but I don't have any, and I'm not that good with them anyway. Let's see how this tastes. Got those hot peppers in there. Here we go. The pork, the soy sauce, and the lime really stand out. And the hot peppers I love. You gotta try this, you'll like it. Let me know if you do, how it turned out, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks and budget meals on Real Food, Spend Less. See you next time, bye.